Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this amazing book called The 5 Ps of Money Management by my good friend and financial advisor, Dimitris Magemeneas. I should know how to pronounce his name. But yeah, aka Money Man. So, this is my homie, my financial advisor, my good friend. Great book. Looks like part 1, 5 parts. So I'll let you read that if you're interested. And yeah, we always could improve in money management. Let me skim through this book for you. Skim through some of the pages. Looks like an easy read. Looks like it's good content. And yeah, hope you all, if you're looking at this, hope you all have great financial success. It's great you're looking at books like this. And I'll drop a link in the comment section on where you can order this book from. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Take care, everyone. Later.